Mastering passive voice, an essential step to fluent English. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into an important part of English grammar, the passive voice. This grammar tool can elevate your English from basic to conversational, and even professional. So, let's get started. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of a sentence becomes the subject. It is used when the focus is on the action and the person or thing receiving the action, not who or what is performing the action. Here's a simple example. Active. John, subject, paints, verb, the wall, object. Passive. The wall, subject, is painted, verb, by John, agent. To form a passive sentence, we use the form subject plus be verb, in the tense of the main verb, plus past participle of the main verb plus, by plus agent. For example, active. She, subject, is writing, verb, a letter, object. Passive. A letter, subject, is being written, verb, by her, agent. Remember, the agent is optional. If it's not important who or what is doing the action, we can drop it. The letter is being written. Passive voice is often used when 1. The person or thing doing the action is unknown or irrelevant. My wallet was stolen. We don't know who stole it. 2. The action is more important than the doer. The new law was approved. It's not important who approved it. 3. The subject is the recipient of the action. I was given a gift. Just like active voice, passive voice can be used in all tenses. The tense is shown by the verb be. Here are some examples. 1. Present simple. The cake is made by John. 2. Present continuous. The cake is being made by John. 3. Past simple. The cake was made by John. 4. Future simple. The cake will be made by John. And so on for all other tenses. Avoid these common mistakes. 1. Using the wrong form of be. Make sure the be verb matches the tense of the active sentence. 2. Forgetting the past participle. Always use the past participle form of the main verb in a passive sentence. 3. Overuse. While it's important to know how to use the passive voice, don't overuse it. In English, we generally prefer the active voice when possible. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the passive voice in English. Understanding and using the passive voice correctly can take your English communication skills to the next level. So keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. We hope you found this video useful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning, everyone!